your local lender with Rate, here with your weekly mortgage minute for Wednesday, August 6, 2025. So let's get started. First up, we're talking about the feds and a possible rate cut. If you remember last week, we were talking that there was a 50-50 chance in September that rates would be cut. And now we are looking at the market betting about 90% that that's going to happen. And what's the reason for that? Well, we had two more Fed members step up and voice their opinion that they feel that the interest rates need to be cut. Now, these two Fed members, they don't get a vote this year, and that's okay, but their opinion matters because it contributes to the conversation. So let's everybody cross their fingers and hope that we're going to see some kind of rate cut here in September. But obviously, the million-dollar question is, how much of a rate cut is that going to be? So big news for homeowners and current home buyers. So we just found out that it was passed in the Senate and it will now go to the president's desk for signature, and 6 months down the road, trigger leads will be banned. So what is a trigger lead? Well, if you've ever gotten your credit pulled when you were with a mortgage company or applying for a loan, and then all of a sudden your phone blew off the handle with phone calls, emails, text messages from other loan officers, well, you experience trigger leads. And now what they're stating is, in the future, moving forward, the only way that me, your loan officer, can reach out to you after you've closed is if, number one, I did your loan, number two, the servicing is still with me or with my company, or three, if I was with a bank or a credit union, you had an account set up. Now, this is good and it's bad. So it's obviously good for consumer security. But for me, being your lender for life, my job is to kind of monitor things for you, is to touch base with you, see if things have changed in your life and if something with financing can be helpful to you, such as maybe a divorce. So now you have to sell in or refinance, or a death in a family, things of that nature, or even just updating you on new loan programs and where interest rates are headed. So that was a service that I provided to you as your lender. And now with the trigger leads going away, this is going to kind of cause an issue with me being able to stay in touch with you. But I'll have to navigate through and see what other options are available for us to do that and stay in touch. So interest rates are pretty, steady here today. We're not seeing anything major changing, but there is some news coming out this afternoon that may change the pulse of that, and we will keep you posted. But for now, this is your weekly Mortgage Minute update with Maureen Lein, your local lender at Rate. And I look forward to seeing you guys next week. And as you know, if you have questions in regards to mortgages, interest rates, loan programs, reach out to me. I am